So we're gonna go check out this Spirit Halloween store. So we're here at a Halloween store. They got a little haunted house in the back. We're gonna go in there. You go over there and wait on Daddy on the end. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go in there. You go over there. Let's go check it out. That's cool. They just made it like a shark theme. So there's really nothing in here. Nothing scary this time. Then they have these things that you can step on right here. Whoa. Let's look at this. It's not working. Big spider. They use, because I was trying to turn the camera on. And they have this boat theme right here. Step on that, and there's a big clown there. Let's go up here. Big boat thing. There's a dog. 169. Step on here. Come around this way. They have a spider here. This little trick or treat. Grab some candy. And they have that clown right there. Yeah, they got a lot of good stuff in here. Look at this. This is pretty cool. These hats. Nice jacket. It's gothic look. A lot of stuff over here. The classic Jason mask. Werewolves. SWAT team. It's got a little bit of everything in here. Batman, Toy Story, Batgirl. Toy Story. Ghostbusters over there. This is probably one of the best places to go for Halloween stuff. A lot of kids' costumes.
A firefighter!
We're just walking around in here. Superheroes. They got all kind of costumes. They have a clearance section, but it looks like the clearance wall is not ready. After Halloween, it'll be on clearance right here. Skeletons. There's the haunted house back there you can walk through. Dressing room. You can try on the costumes. It's the haunted house again. But yeah, that's it. Good job.
You're done, Eve?